Hey everyone, this is our last day in the Algarve and unfortunately our boat tour was canceled due to weather. So what were we to do? Well, I looked online really quick and found out that they had Tuk Tuk tours around the area. And since it was my mom's last day in the area, we figured we'd book one of them and give it a shot. And this is what this video is about, some of the highlight reels. Highlights of the sites that they took us to. It was a 2-hour Tuk Tuk tour and went all around the Algarve and then ended up in the town. It highlighted some of the off the beaten path beaches and scenic areas that you probably wouldn't get unless you had a car. And we didn't have a car, so it was worth it to us. I'll leave the link for the tour guide that we used in the description of the video below. Check out some of these sites that we saw. Some of them are really spectacular. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Then we take a photo here, it's where the best shot is there.
Okay.
The name of this beach is Tuk Beach, but this beach have two names. The whole time the people call them the Free Rocks.
Ah.
When the tide's high, arrive to the restaurant. When the tide's low, you see all the rocks underground, underwater.
Wow.
I will take a photo to watch you. This is like cold. I told you the name, it's the Free Rocks Beach, but each rock have a name. That one is the skull. See the eyes, the nose. That one you can walk 3 hours all the coast. More 3 hours back. But that people just do 1 hour or 2 hours or into time. Please go. In Portugal and some countries in Europe, it's the blue flag. Blue flag in Portugal means quality beach. And all the 25 beaches in Albufeira have a blue flag. I showed you here the map, you have one idea. This is the blue flag. Now they don't gonna use, but this in summer they put every day. The water, the analysis if they clean or not, or control every day. This is all the coast of Albufeira.
very steep drop.
This beach, it's different of the other ones. It's unique. It's not with rocks. The walls, it's all different colors of sand. And 2 years ago, we awarded one of the 3 best beaches in Europe. And it's the more longest beach that we have, like I told you. That white building is Vila Moura. Over there is here is the place that I told you. We win about 2 hours. If we went to all the spots, we lose a lot of time, and for me it's the best thing is here. Because we can see all the beach still here. No, it's her home. The old home. Many locals and families, different of